Hey guys, in this video we are going to take a look at how we can host Dynamic Server System Lite on a Windows VPS. So first of all we need to edit the config.ini. Okay, so on the first argument we need to add all our maps that should be launched when DSSLite is launched, separated by a comma. Just go to your project and hover over the map. You are gonna see the map full path and its name. Okay, so after that we need to configure the number of players per server instance. 50 is a good number. The third argument can be kept as it is because DSSLite is going to figure out which port it should use. The next two arguments can be configured on the VPS, so we are gonna skip them now. After that we need to configure the timeout. So basically, let's say the server is empty, there is no players on the server, it's gonna be terminated after 30 seconds. And then we need to configure those three arguments. So let's go back to our project. We need to open DSS game instance. Just make sure that DSS port is the same on the config.ini and in your project. Same for server authentication password and same for client authentication password. After that, we need to modify one thing, which is the VPS IP. Just copy it from here and paste it. Okay, now we can compile and save everything. Then we need to build the game servers. I'm gonna pause the video and come back when everything is ready. Okay, so now everything is compiled and ready. We need to upload the game servers and the DSSLite to the VPS. So here we can see the game server files. We need to upload all of them and the DSSLite files. So I'm not gonna go through this process because it's pretty straightforward. So I'm gonna pause the video and come back when everything is uploaded on the VPS. Okay, now everything is uploaded to the VPS, so let's go and configure it. We need to go to DSSLite and edit config.ini again. Also, we need to go to our game server project, right click on the server file, go to its property, copy its name and paste it here. Make sure to keep the extension. And also we need to copy the full path and paste it here also. Okay, so now we are ready to test everything if it's working or not. Let's go back to DSSLite and launch it. So we should see the two server instance is launched and connected. And now on my local machine I'm going to try to enter the game. Let's go to Windows No Editor and double click the game file. Okay, I'm gonna use any name and try to connect. Okay, so we're still unable to connect because we haven't configured the firewall of the VPS. So let's go to firewall and go to advanced settings. We need to add inbound rule for the Unreal Engine servers and for DSSLite. Okay, let's add a new rule. Check port and press next. We need to first of all to add a TCP. We need to copy DSS port and paste it here. Press next and we need to allow the connection. Okay, so everything is ready. Let's name it DSSLite and press finish. Now we need to add the Unreal Engine server ports. Also on the inbound rules, press new rule. Okay, press port, press next. We need to open the ports from 7770 to 777 or to 778. Okay, in between them we should add a dash, and it's UDP and not TCP. Let's press next. Allow the connection, press next. Everything is checked, press next, and then name it animation for servers. Okay, so let's now try to connect from our local machine. We need to go to Windows No Editor and double click on the game file, enter your name and press connect. Everything is working fine. We have connected to the game server and we can launch multiple games. Here on the VPS you can see that we have two guys connected, and if we go into any dungeon we will see a new server instance launched. Okay, here we go. So everything is working fine. See you on the next tutorial.